sick. Boy, it's a bandwagon. Ran him down my pants side, shot him in the foot, and now he acting like he meant it. I grass at your door, you know the booze at your shit. In the fucking right way, do it, trying to catch your head. In the Venus with the lunch, you know the lions like some man. Gotta boot her off the ass, I know she wanna have some sick. Boy, it's a bandwagon. Ran him down my pants side, shot him in the foot, and now he acting like he meant it.
Okay, if I'm being honest, bro, the Meg Thee Stallion bar was kind of crazy. The Meg Thee Stallion bar was That man said, I don't even want to repeat it. Shot him in the foot, nigga. Bro, that's not okay, bro. How y'all feel about the song, man? Let me know in the comments how y'all feeling about the song. What he said? This man said, shot him in the foot. Now he walking like he Meg Thee Stallion. I said, whoa. But first time I heard it, I was like, nah, he ain't say that. He said it 3 more times. I said, oh.
He said more than 3.
How y'all feeling about that, man?